So
hello, Farah, and this is Farah Riders. Is this your Facebook name?
Farah Fashion Riders.
Fashion Riders. So this is what she designs. This is her own drawings and design, and she gives it to some super duper guy who can actually do this. So this is unstitched. So these fabrics are all unstitched.
Yeah. These are all unstitched,
and
then
I've
just like kept it for someone who would just come and say, "Oh, we want something to
like
be done."
This.
So I just get them stitched in like 2 days and give it to them.
And you got some.
Yeah. So
Lovely.
at the moment, most of the stuff is like lying on the designing phase and on the processing phase. But by next month, hopefully things will be better. I'll have more stuff to show.
And then you will show it on video, of course.
Exactly.
Look at this. And it's all export, guys. And she does it from her own home. Lovely. So basically, when you design this, how do you pick out, for example, these stones? Which is the best stones? Or this is another one?
This is also our like export stuff. This is going to one of our.
How much do they pay you? I mean, the customers pay for one of these dresses. For example, this one, just to say a little.
This is just like 150 Canadian dollars.
150 Canadian dollars.
Yeah, it has a very good printed dupatta, which I can't show you at the moment.
So, which is how much is 150 Canadian dollars in rupees?
Around like 12,000.
12,000 rupees.
Including shipping.
Including shipping.
Yeah.
And the other dress, the other white dress?
No. This is for another very good client of ours from US. And
this one is
also paying us $130 for
$130
with shipping.
With shipping included. Yeah. So people, look at this.
The back.
You can also have it. Lovely, beautiful, really nice.
These
so how do you pick out? How do you pick out the fabric?
See, I would love to tell you about this thing that the material that we have used in this is pure linen.
Pure linen, yes.
Pure linen, and it's a very nice fabric which works like 12 months in a year. You can wear it any day of the year. And my designs are mostly not these ones that you can see in the ready-made stuff, but the customized stuff is mostly in solid colors.
Yes.
Light colors preferably, or maybe sometimes in black, maroon, dark purple, plum colors like that also. But it all depends on the complexion of the person who would be wearing it and the taste, their interest and everything. So how I pick the fabric is according to what you want. Is like if you want to wear it in a day or in the night. So formal stuff usually, in formal dresses we usually use the georgette and crinkle and chiffons and pure stuff like which is more drapey. And for the day, and if you want to wear it somewhere else, like casual stuff, then we use like linen and stuff. But this particular client wanted something in linen because linen is actually, it goes every day.
Everyday use.
So she wanted some work on a linen fabric and just wanted to make it a little bit more addition of some designs. As you can see, these are very subtle designs.
Yes.
These are something which is very in these days. We just add a little bit of pleats and pintexes.
Yes.
But everything which goes with the color, nothing which is standing
out is within.
So this is how we design these days. Earlier the designs philosophy were different.
Yes.
These days it's very different.
Yeah, it's texture more than the patterns. Yes,
textures more. So first
changing
we
the
make
texture.
the front body, then we send it to the embroidery person.
Yes.
He embroidered, does work on the stuff, and then we put it on the stitching. As you can see, the stitching is also very fine.
Yes, beautifully done.
So this is how we do
it. So thank you so much, and people can find you on Facebook again, and your website again.
Fashion Riders is the
Fashion Riders is Facebook. Yes.
And you can be in touch with me on Farah Lakhani on Facebook, and my email address is farah.navroz farah.navroz @hotmail.com.
Great. Thank you so much.